You're getting used to your pets cheerfully welcome you at home, but you also know they're not that cheerful at home alone. Wicked Ball. 6 features make it the best gift for your dogs and cats. First, its 100% automatic feature makes it the perfect companion for your pets, even when you're not around. Just leave it with your pets. The magic starts. The 3 reaction modes for interaction enable you to choose from gentle, normal, and active, according to your pet's activity. There will always be a right